Solar panels are at the heart of the global shift toward clean, renewable energy. By capturing the power of the sun, they help reduce carbon emissions and create a more sustainable future for our planet. But to perform at their best, solar panels need to stay clean and protected. That's why we are proud to introduce our advanced solar panel solutions. Meet Nasiol Solar product line. SolarRinse is a cleaning detergent designed to remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants from all panel types. SolarClean is a powerful surface pre-cleaner designed specifically to prepare your panels for nano coating application. SolarCoat FC was developed for glass, thin film flexible or other polymer solar panels and perfect choice for end users. SolarCoat doesn't change the optical properties of the panels. SolarCoat GC was developed for tempered glass panels and suitable for industrial applications. It can also be used for residential purposes. The coated panel is hydrophobic and oleophobic, dirt repellent with self-cleaning and non-stick properties. It increases the energy efficiency of solar panels by up to 18% and helps extend the lifespan. It reduces cleaning costs by up to 50%. It is a durable nano coating for 3 years depending on the conditions. Choose SolarCoat FC or GC according to your needs and use it safely. Protect your solar investment with Nasiol Solar line. Contact us for more information.